Hey everybody. Hey, I reached out to my buddy. He has a farm, and I asked him if he had any deadfall trees that were like 20 plus inches in diameter, because I wanted to make some bird baths and water for the bees. So about 2 foot sections, 20 plus inches in diameter, bore out the center, put water in it. So he brings me 4, and they're like 3.5, 4 foot like this. So I got 4 of them instead of just 2 2-footers. So I was thinking, well, what can I do with these extra ones? And I started thinking, I got a chainsaw, and I see all these chainsaw carvings on YouTube. So why not give it a try? So I'll try to do something somewhat easy, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do a chainsaw carving out of a big old log. So ready to join me? Let's go.
The king and his men stole the queen from her bed and bound her in her bones. The seas be ours, and by the powers where we will we roam. Yo ho, all hands, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Now some have died and some are alive, and others sail on the sea. With the keys to the cage and the devil to pay, we lay to fiddler's grave. Yo ho, all hands, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Yo ho, all together, hoist the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the first chainsaw art episode. I already think about doing something else. I learned a lot from this, what not to do mostly. But hey, there's a method behind my madness. It serves as a chair, the queen bee chair. Cheers.